candy.
Oh, no.
When I first met Braden, I thought he looked a little chunky. But the more I looked him over, I thought, hubba bubba, this guy can orbit me and give me hugs and kisses anytime. I once offered Braden $100 grand to look at my whatchamacallit. But he acted a little jerky, and he said he always snickers when he sees a large nut roll. And offered to take me to New York and show me the mounds of hot tamales at the special bars, but he would have to wait until payday because he's broke. I told him I would put the bill as long as he docked his Butterfinger with my almond joy. And he told me I was his favorite juicy fruit and loves the extra fruit sensation he gets in his mouth when he gets this is a little chub, by the way, a perfect score. Oh, yeah. Man, that little chub for a long time. All right.
Actually, I wanted the salted nut roll.
Well, who wants this? And then we'll see you outside. Okay, I thought unless he absolutely wants this, we can play a little game, and I just give anybody what they want off the board.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, give me the